In a petition against the Nigerian Police and Air Force filed by Julius Osahon Iwekoi, the panel observed that apart from the first respondent, the Nigerian Police, that has been served, Air Force officer W. Sule, indicted by the petitioner, was not served. Hence, the matter was not considered. Chairman of the panel, Justice Ada Ehigiamusoy, retired, adjourned further hearing to 25th November to enable service be effected on the second respondent and directed the petitioner to furnish the panel with particulars of the respondent. Counsel to a petitioner, Mrs. Patience Emadia, Barrister Safia Foba Eti, told the panel that his client could not appear before the panel because she is hospitalized owing to an alleged attack by some EndSARS protesters. The request by the counsel for the panel to visit the client in a private hospital in Benin City was approved. Under cross-examination, a petitioner, Comrade Vincent Abulimen, alleged destruction of his car at Siloko Road by some policemen from Ogida Division during the EndSARS protest, just as the panel observed that no value was placed on the damaged property, with necessary documents of the vehicle missing in the petition. The panel concluded hearing on the matter, and the chairperson said recommendation will be communicated to the petitioner.
You said you transmitted a formal petition to the Commissioner of Police. And some policemen collected the petition and sent the petition to the dustbin. Yes, sir. Can you identify that police officer?
The panel adjourned to November 19 for definite further hearing on another matter filed by Comrade Vincent Abulime against management of Police Children's School, Ogida, while another matter filed by the same petitioner against Odubo Blessing. The panel raised observation over non-service of the respondent and subsequently adjourned to Thursday, 19th November for definite hearing. The petition by Mr. Solomon Odige against the disbanded SARS and the Nigerian Police suffered a setback as counsel to the Nigerian Police, Barrister Sam Agbonelo, said the case was not assigned to him. Parties in matters considered on Wednesday comment.
With the leave of my daughter, I may not want to put up appearance on this matter because this petition was not part of the ones assigned me.
There were 6 cases at the panel together. The NBA did 5, and the 5 of them, they were all pro bono. I am asking the panel for justice to prevail, for SARS inside the police secondary school, police children's school, for them to fish out all those SARS inside the police children's school, because the money they are leaving parents, is telling on them.
Chairperson of the panel, Justice Ada Ehigiamusoy, retired, also comment.
We are grateful to the police for at least putting up appearances in most of our cases, and we still solicit more of their cooperation so that we'll be able to conclude what we have been assigned to do.
With over 60 petitions attended to, the panel says it will stop receiving petitions on the 29th of November. Kingsley Uchegbu reporting.